it really comes down to liking yourself. Like we like to spend time with people that we like. And so that comes down to learning to be alone. And I remember doing that in my early 20s, being forced to learn to be alone or I was going to have a very unhappy life. So I really learned to embrace that personally by doing things that I loved, really knowing, first of all, what I loved, exploring. Like it was, I remember going to the movies the first time by myself. It was not fun. And then it was fun. And I learned to do things that I love to do, really getting in touch with who I am and what I liked. And once you're able to know what you like and just identify your strengths, and we start to like ourselves. And as we like ourselves, then we like to spend time with ourselves. And sure, we want to spend time with other people, yet some people cannot be alone. And that's something I always encourage people to learn to do. You want to learn to be alone, to be able to spend an evening alone, whether it's a Friday night, a Saturday night, or a Tuesday night, to really embrace you and what you love. And then once you love you, then it really enhances our ability to connect and enjoy other people, because we see other people as we see ourselves. So the more love you have for yourself, the more admiration, respect, trust, value you place on you, the more you'll be able to give away, because I can't give away what I don't have. So it's really important to take the time to learn to be alone. And of course, within reason, we can enjoy our time alone, and then we can definitely enjoy our time with other people, especially in a love relationship. Because the more love I have for myself, the more love I have to give.